Greetings everyone. In today's video we will discuss about one of the least used Fusion Standard report, cash in transit. This report provides the list of unreconciled transactions such as payments, external transactions, payroll payments and AR receipts for a selected bank account entered in the parameter. Here is a sample output of the report. You will see the first block payment in receipt, external transaction in transit and payroll payments. This report is excellent for getting detailed transaction list. However, it has certain limitations. Like for each source is displayed in one sheet. Like the payment will be in one sheet, external transaction in another, and payroll payment in another. So you will not have a consolidated view. Second is it's not in the tabular proper tabular format, so you will not be able to do the pivoting and summarizing on that part. And the last important thing is there is no quickly insights available on this report. In the upcoming slides, we will see ways to overcome some of the limitations and convert the standard report in an Excel dashboard that provides summarized amount in transit, bifurcation of total amount by each transaction type, view unreconciled amount trend by aging bucket separated by each source, split of unreconciled amount by each supplier and customer. Also, we enable users to slice the entire dashboard data by transaction type, aging bucket in days, operating unit for AR and AP payments, legal entity for payroll payments, and blank value for cash payment external transaction. And lastly, one more filter for the date range for the given transaction in the dashboard. And once any of the filter is applied, the user will be able to see the filtered total amount. So I hope you are now curious to know how to convert the standard report in an Excel dashboard. So below are the steps. First, run the schedule process, enter the required parameters, and then once the output is generated, download the XML file and save this XML file on your system at a particular path. This path is very much important. It will be used in the next step. Download this Excel file from the YouTube video links. So here in this file you will see there is a sheet 1 which is giving the path of the file parameter summary. On the second sheet, once you loaded the details, you will get the detailed information, and then the dashboard and other information. So as of now you see this all are blank because we have not uploaded any path file to it. So once I put the proper path, so folder which I have file which I have saved in the folder and the path, if I put that information properly, then what I need is refresh all, and then the background queries will run. And now you are able to see that yes, the parameters what I have entered is Bank of America Denver, and in total it has 428 lines, and it has selected two particular transaction type summaries are presented here by amount. Out of 428, 427 belongs to payment and one to external transaction. So this is the summary information. In the detail we will see full 428 lines. One row is for the header, so here it is 429 rows. So now here these are in the tabular format. So the way you want to draw up your table, you can do it. And also in transit days, one additional field is created that will take the transaction date and as of date parameter differences, and it will show since how many days this particular transaction is in transit. So still if we see the cash in transit dashboard, then nothing has been populated here. So to populate this information you need to do refresh one more, because this is drawing the data from the pivot table. So now once I refresh, now you can see all the data are populated here. The total amount, filtered amount is same. Now, now here comes the all the slicing part. If I want to see only external transaction, you can see here the filtered amount is changed, the all the dashboard are changed, and only the external transactions are pending from within the 30 days, and there is no business unit selected for external transaction. Let's see how quickly if I want to select another file, this can be changed. So I'm selecting one more file which I have saved in the same location. I paste it and I say refresh all. So this has refreshed, the detailed table has changed. Just see 22,000 lines has been populated. So detail up to 22,000 lines are populated. Dashboard, I need to refresh one more time. So now it is available. So it is getting refreshed. Now this is the pivot in which the actual data has been generated. The filter external transaction type was applied. Let me remove all the filters. Now it is showing complete data here. So if I want to change this bucket groups, so here you can see 0 to 30 has been there. All I need to do is go to group. So starting point is 0 I've selected, ending by default last date will be selected, and by how many days you want to increase. So by 60 days. Now the buckets are changing 60 days. So here also it will change automatically. So there are various filters. I can see I want to see only legal entity wise, sorry, business unit wise. So filters are available, one particular legal entity. So accordingly it will change for the payroll amount only for specific duration which has been pending. Let's say I want to see by buckets. Let's take by 100 and see in the dashboard which are more than 1000. So now selecting multiple. So 2000. So that's how I can check and see the name of the parties. As of now, the more than 1000 days are the payroll payments only in this particular test case. It is not showing that much detail for the party name here. So as this is a pivot table, here is also available. You can drill the pivot, and from this table you can create your own pivot also for any other analysis if you want to draw, like the check number or other currency wise information or the party name wise. So all this you can prepare now very easily from this part. So I hope you found this dashboard very useful. Let's summarize the step. First, you need to download the report, take the output, and save the report on your system. Then download the Excel file from this YouTube video link, and thereafter put that path onto the Excel file downloaded, and then refresh the data once to get the data loaded in the detail table, and then refresh again to get the data in the pivot table. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write down in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.